A very good morning to all. My name is Muskan Thakur and today I am here to present my e-poster in the National E-Conference on COVID pandemic, emerging challenges and future strategies. The title of my poster is COVID-19 Challenges Converted into Opportunities.
The COVID 19 pandemic has fundamentally changed many facets of our life, particularly the world of work. At the height of the current pandemic, when economies, sectors, and organizations grappled with an increasingly new and complex reality, digital tools and technology enabled work to continue seamlessly despite a distributed workplace. Our worthy Prime Minister, Dr. Narendra Modi, tried his best to convert COVID 19 challenges into the opportunities through administrative reforms and form the new policies for the development of our own country.
In challenges that we are facing during this COVID period and how these challenges can be converted into the opportunities in this COVID time. So, the first challenge that we are facing is the pressure on the students and education institutions. In February 2020, COVID-19 crisis forced the educational systems to embrace the distance education after forced closure of schools and universities. General challenges teachers are facing, complete issues rising from the crisis on their own without the clear coordination and sufficient information, nor they had any support from the academy. This challenge for students and teachers can be converted into an opportunity with the help of the virtual classrooms and online learning, where both the students and teachers are able to learn about this digital technology or the advanced technology. So, the next kind of the challenge which we are facing during this COVID time is the difficulty in sales and marketing. As we know that no one is going outside to buy products or goods, so the people in the shops they started their selling their products online and started marketing them or advertising them with the help of some creative ideas. So this lockdown time is hard for all of us. During this lockdown time we can convert it into something valuable, or we can convert it into an opportunity by learning some new skills like origami, painting, calligraphy and some other new skills so that we can make our time effective and productive. So the next challenge is lack of experience in handling issues or equipments. People don't know how to handle the particular equipment because they don't have any particular information regarding that. So, how they can convert it into an opportunity? By studying about that particular equipment or that particular issue and then try to solve. This picture shows us that how the coronavirus had infected the mankind, and this shows that how we are using our digital technology for overcoming the challenges that we are facing during the COVID times. The next challenge is changes in the business models. So, by doing so, we can convert into an opportunity with the help of e-commerce thermal screening devices. The next challenge is stabilizing the cash flows. We all are witnessing a drop in sales, and degree of impact varies according to the sector a company operates in. However, what is needed at this point is the ability to be adaptive. Next two challenges are shortage in the medical supplies and lack of resources to the students. And these challenges can be converted to the opportunities with the help of the soft copies of the books, by giving the presentations on the LinkedIn app, by the animated videos which are available on the YouTube. The next challenge is lack of basic necessities. People are not getting the things that are required for fulfilling our basic necessities during this COVID time. So, how they can get that? They can get them by online shopping and some another methods. Like they had the stock of it in their home and they can use it also. So the next challenge is limited products from the industries, because industries are not working during this pandemic time. So it is very much necessary for us to use the products of the industries wisely, and it can be converted into an opportunity for the sustainable development, because industries are not working, our environment is getting better day by day, it is healing and it results in our sustainable development. So in the ending, I want to end it by saying that ideas may fail, but we should learn from these failures. Something or other will work that will help the sector to grow during this COVID pandemic. Thank you.